really good. Really, really good.
They're 2008 models.
We haven't seen this one yet. Rico. I like my neck's gonna be still somewhere. I put sunscreen on.
Oh my god, they look really good, really, really good.
They're 2008 models. That's how old they are.
Okay.
They're 7.5 Ks, but on 18 volts.
And you've never had the motors recharged or nothing?
No.
Same motor. All right.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Sick, dude. Well, hey, thanks for the demo.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate it. They look great. Sounds great.
Awesome. Hell yeah. Get in there, man. Come on in. I like to check it all out. Put you on YouTube. You want to give me a walk around real quick?
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear me very well. I have 6 American-based VFL 15s with PSI soft parts and a 4th order. It's 1.8 to 1. I have 3 B2M1 V1s, which are a 7.5K on 18 volts. They make over 9K. 3 Singer 320s and a factory alternator running at 12 volt. So I'm on 18.
How have you metered?
I haven't metered yet.
What does it feel like, you think?
It's louder than the last setup. It's probably a 60.
Okay. You still tuning?
I've literally just got this together, man.
For the show? How much port area is that?
It's tuned to 49 hertz right now. I don't know what the size is right now.
Okay. And you're 18 volt. Yeah. Whoa. How much are these subs rated for?
Probably around 4K a piece.
Wow. And it's you said 4th order, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it. You built it?
I did.
Nice. What was your name?
Rico.
Rico, okay. And you got 12 volt for the mids and highs?
Yeah. They're all McLaren Neos.
Okay. I like it. Solid. Nice.
Not finished yet, but it's close.
Work in progress.
Found me. When I walk in, the tricky fever all around me. Silly people, what they do? I do. You can get trying to hide you from the one they trying to bribe you. Even though you're walking in with an upper level, I'ma see to right beside you. And from they get you funny because you good with the money they got.
About 46.
Yeah, that's pretty. I'd say 57's on music right there. Heck yeah. I appreciate it, man.
I'll play a couple more.
All right. I say, how low does it play? You put the window down at all, or?
It ain't real low, man. That's the only thing.
Okay. Do you want it up or down, or you do your thing?
You can leave it up.
All right. Whew. Yeah, that sounds good.
Thank you.
18 volts too. You get the most out of your amp.
Oh yeah.
That's the way to go if you can. I like the design. You got 2 of them non-inverted because you couldn't do inverted.
Because they would hit the wall, yeah.
But you got it phased so it's equal?
Yeah.
What business are you in? Oh, I make my bread and butter. I'm pushing. What business are you in? Oh, I make my bread and butter. Trying to boot. Trying to make my face. Like a. Don't always me. In the duck in the rain. Hanging out with some. They wild as good. How they come out. So what the fuck?
That's a good tap out song right there. Heck yeah. That's around your peak too.
Yeah.
Woo, appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you, man.
No
Awesome.
problem,
Heck yeah. Not many people demoing today sealed up, so I like it. Yeah, thank you.
I like sealed up.
Yeah, man, that's fun. Yeah. Woo. Thank you.
Silly people, what they do? I do. She can get trying to hide you from the one they trying to bribe you. Even though you walking in with an upper lip, I'ma see to right beside you. And for they. Funny because you good with the money they got. Trying to boot. Trying to make my face. Like a. Don't always me. In the duck in the rain. Hanging out with some. They wild as good. How they come out. So what the fuck? Silly people, what they do? I do. She can get trying to hide you from the one they trying to bribe you. Even though you walking in with an upper lip, I'ma see to right beside you. And for they. Funny because you good with the money they got.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.